The Phantom 4 Pro is a quadcopter drone that boasts a rigid design and tall landing gear, while it packs many interesting features and premium performance. So let's get straight into the action and reveal what makes the Phantom 4 Pro so special. Design-wise, as it is standard for the Phantom line, it boasts an all-white design with some grey accents which look elegant yet futuristic. Therefore, I think the manufacturer has done a great job regarding its aesthetics. You can choose this product in 3 different versions, but the one that we're currently reviewing is the DJI Phantom 4 Professional Plus, which, unlike the other versions, includes a built-in display on the remote control. Otherwise, they're the same machine. In addition, the camera is on a 3-axis gimbal and packs 4K recording in a 1-inch CMOS sensor at 20 megapixels, which is also one of the best in the market on a consumer level. However, when it comes to traveling, the DJI Phantom 4 Pro does not fold down. You simply install the camera gimbal lock and protector and the quick release on the propellers. Now let's talk about its features. As we mentioned in the beginning, DJI offers many of the best flying features for the Phantom 4 Pro. As you might already know, there are following modes and other self-piloting features which will amaze you and deliver an extraordinary flying experience. One of the main parts for this drone is the remote control. Responsiveness controls are key to a successful flight, as is the low latency FPV on either the built-in display of the Pro Plus remote, which we're currently reviewing, or your mobile device on the normal Pro model. Moreover, a single battery will net you up to 30 minutes of flight, but expect about 24 minutes in the air to be safe. To be specific, it has a 5870 mAh battery hauling around a 3-pound drone at up to 45 miles per hour. Last but not least, one of the best and most underrated features of the Phantom 4 Pro Plus is the camera capabilities, which have a good sensor and the video capture speeds are even better. 4K video comes in the form of standard 3840 by 2160 resolution or 4K of 4096 by 2160, but at up to 30 FPS. To conclude, the DJI Phantom Pro Plus is definitely a must-have, and if you're looking for a high-end option that'll elevate your flying experience to a whole new level, then this is the best option you can find.